Hey guys, just want to do a quick unboxing for you of this smart doorbell camera. I know just about everybody has one of these things now, and I'm kind of late, so I'm just now getting one, so I'll get it set up here pretty soon. But for this video, I just want to open it up for you and show you what it comes with, what it looks like. So you see it has a sleeve here for the main box with the image, so slide that out, and then here's just a white box that contains all the contents. So open that. Foam padding for protection up top. Then, of course, your manual and instructions in here. This is the actual camera unit itself. So it looks like it has like a sticky back, so for easy install. And I'll check out the install of it more later, but that's what you have so far. Then we have another box. I assume this is a cord. So a little hardware kit for mounting. And yes, you have a charging cord here. And then you also have your speaker. Oh, okay, so that's your speaker. So you can plug that in, and that's for your audio there. So again, just the overall look of what you get. Speaker, cord, and your doorbell unit. I'll set it all up and then I'll show you some more and let you know what I think about it.